What's up, guys? Crypt here. On today's video, I have part 2 of Resident Evil 4. So, last episode, I saved that other hiker, I think it was, and then that cowboy-looking motherfucker smacked the shit out of me and knocked me out. I'm injected with some type of virus, I think, maybe. I don't know, not sure, but we're about to find out what's about to happen now, so let's jump right into it, you guys.
Sacrificial lamb, you will receive our most sacred body. It begins now.
Well,
Oh, what the fuck?
Hey, stop it. Hey, Yankee. Got a name?
Leon.
Quiet type, eh? I'm Luis Serra. Guess you, me, picked the wrong spot to vacation, eh? Hey, stop it. You move, I move. And I'm beat up enough as it is. I can see you're thinking. Bet you've been in spots like this before, huh? I guess you're here looking for someone. One more guess. Maybe some missing señorita?
Young girl? Talk. Now.
All right. See, heard chatter about moving a señorita.
Moving her. Where?
Who knows? But later, saw some men dragging someone to the old church. Hanging with you, not healthy.
damn.
Hey, we're not done here!
Later, amigo.
No.
I took my gear.
Nothing fucking awesome. Alright, let's go, I guess.
Condor 1 to Roost. I've located Baby Eagle. It sounds like she's being kept in some church.
Great. That's good news.
I heard it from this guy I met. He said his name is Luis Serra. There's something fishy about him. I need you to run a background check.
We'll call Condor 1. I'll see what I can find. In the meantime, make your way to that church.
Right. I'm probably due for confession anyway. Condor 1, out.
Alright, so basically now I gotta fucking find a way out of here. Kitchen knife. Knife attacks. You can perform wide sweeping slash attacks with that. You can holding space. Head for the church. Go behind this motherfucker. Sub kills. I know. Run your pocket, bitch. With that kitchen knife, thank you.
Hey, that's my
Oh.
gear.
Airing. Well, if you have a knife, you can pay and attack with spacebar when the prompt appears in the bottom right corner of the screen. Oh, I see now. Oh, yeah, motherfucker. Yeah, bitch. Yeah, what's up with it? Alright, back the fuck off that. Okay. Anything else? Like, nah, I'm just gonna get my shit. Got up. Yeah, bitch. Yeah, what's up with it? What's up with it then? Yeah, back off me. Get our shit, Leon. Fuck out of here. Oh shit, okay, I see now. I gotta run. I gotta fucking run. I'm not gonna be able to get my shit back. Huh. Oh, you motherfucker. Go, 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 go. No way! I will. Wait, what is it? I got a prompt. I had a prompt there first. Are you dead ass?
A few inches later.
Alright, now let's fucking do this right this time. Run. Leon. Here you go. Let's keep going. Run, 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 run. To the right. Pull out the window. There we go. Oh yeah, there's all my shit back.
I'll be taking these back.
I don't have a key for that. But everything, I'll double check. That is everything, okay. Oh yeah, now I got my guns and shit. Oh, we're good now. Who is this?
Over here, stranger.
Who's that?
Questioning back Leon.
Let's do some business then.
Merchant tip, get rich quick, hire the quest come along, you can trade with the spinels, whatever the fuck they are, receives reward, yada yada yada. With these items, what I recommend you pick up a treasure map the most. These maps detail the location of the cult's cherished hidden treasure. Took me and the lads a lot of time to find them. With these maps handy, you'll never be skipped again. Sure, you may have ventured into some dangerous areas to get them. You can handle that, right? Okay. Rifle ammo. Okay. I got another. Pest control. Get rid of the rats that have taken up in the factory. You don't know if they're carrying any. Just be right now. Find out. Eliminate all the rats. I look. You want to get all the rats first. That's one. That's two. There we go.
Welcome.
Trading with the merchant. Weapons and items can be bought or sold to the merchant using the currency. You can also upgrade or repair your weapons and equipment. Merchant request. Once you've completed the task, receive them, you can claim the reward by talking to the merchant. Okay.
Well done. You've proven your.
Probably gonna play myself by doing this, but I don't give a fuck.
Thank you.
I need 400 fucking. Oh, so do I want to sell? I don't really want to sell the 2 kitchen knives.
I'll buy almost anything.
So the flash grenade then. Whatever. I'm
Not
gonna
bad.
buy the fucking gun. Oh, I'm a cunt.
You'll get some bang for your buck. I guarantee.
Alright, whatever. I'm just gonna sell both the reviews. I don't give a fuck.
A deal
Alright,
well
now give me this
struck.
fucking SRM
Wish
1903.
your enemies sweet dreams from afar, with a bullet straight through their heads.
Alright, I got a
Go
gun
on,
now.
take this as well, free
Good
of charge.
charge. Say that.
All yours, stranger. Well, with pleasant travel.
Oh, wait, now I gotta. How do I equip shit? Fuck. I forgot to.
5 minutes later.
Work out. It's got the scope on it. Okay, it does have a scope. To heal up. Let's keep going, I guess. I don't have that. What is that?
The hell am I?
Good fucking question, Leon. Bitch! Come here, bitch. There we go. Run your pockets. What the fuck? Oh, they see me already, huh? Oh, what the f- Oh shit, then that's a lot of. Oh my god. Oh no, inventory. Heal, Leon. Here we go, it's another one dead. Keep going, I guess. Can I hit my shots, please? Holy shit. Fucking close, motherfucker. Hang on. The fuck ton of barrels literally everywhere. Gone, I guess. The money. We go in here? Fucking locked, of course it is. Why wouldn't it be locked? Yo, back the fuck up, motherfucker. Come on, I dare this motherfucker to get a fucking another. Like a dynamite out, I dare him. Whatever, fuck you then, asshole. Actually, I'm going up there, motherfucker. Oh my god, where are they coming from? Come on, get. Need a fucking key. Oh damn. That thing, the fuck. Run, Leon, run this fucking bitch. Just stay dead, asshole. Thank you. Pop him first. Oh. Oh, bye. Come on, stay. Fucking dead, motherfucker. Nah, you're dead. Another fucking knife broke, but I don't give a fuck. They all fucking dead? Jesus Christ, finally, god damn. Resources L.
Sorry.
Hopefully I kill a couple of them. But most likely not, you know, that's just my fucking luck. Come on, motherfucker, stay dead, asshole. Oh my god! Holy shit! The flash. More ammo, I'll take that, thank you. Definitely more. I could definitely fucking explore around this place. Hexagonal emblem. Oh, I have to go. Now I go back. Okay, where the fuck is it? All the way over there. Oh, it's still open. Oh no, oh no, get the fuck back, Leon. We're gonna drop down, we're gonna run, and get the fuck out of here. Keep on running, Leon, just run out of there. Get out of there, get out of there. You're good. Alright, good. I put this in there, use that. Bingo. Yep. That door. I'm heading through, I guess. Don't see me. 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 Don't mind me. Don't mind me. Are you dead ass right now? Are you dead ass? Oh my god, of course.
Out of the way.
Battle. There we go. That's why it wasn't fucking equipped this site. I wonder why I was fucking struggling. Oh my god, I almost walked into that fucking bear trap. Jesus Christ. sapphire. That I guess. Run around the bear trap. Please run around another bear trap. Oh, the stairs. Rapid fights. Fuckers do. Sweet. There's something in there. Okay. Scribbles about dolls. Destroy the wind-up dolls. $16 of them. Oh no. All that. Fucks up with that revving of that. Like. Is this chainsaw motherfucker? You dead ass right now. Oh shit.
Sorry, must have slipped.
Oh no! Get up! Oh my god, are you dead ass? Are you dead ass? Are you dead ass? Oh my god, oh no, oh no. No, I'm fucking dead. Are you serious, bro? I got stuck on the side. Oh my god. Oh.
You even feeling this?
I'm fucking dead. I'm fucking.
Out of the way.
Jesus Christ. Emerald. Oh, there we go. Oh my god, I almost did it again. Action I can do. Sweet. Pop it now. What do I gotta do now? Fucking bear trap again. I go in here? Hope it's locked.
It's locked.
Oh, you don't fucking say, huh, Leon? Nope, I need a key of some sort again. And why are there so many goddamn bear traps? I gotta fucking be careful, yo. I go to the back door, yep. Hey, nice little cozy little home you got here. Okay, never mind.
Not too shabby. Someone has shown up their neighbors.
Oh. Brown chicken egg. Fucking list. Where the fuck is it? Guard. God damn it. Thought it would have fucking auto sorted. Nope. Let's. What is that? Photo of a family at last, flesh our flesh, blood of our blood, give thanks and creepy as fuck. Okay. Hand grenade. Money. I'm better just. Actually, I can't be asked. I'm sure I'll find it eventually. Not doing that. Small key. Upstairs and see what's popping upstairs. Typewriter. Okay. Illuminados, engraver in veneration of the master. The people offered up their most prized possessions. The old farmer, his finest crop. The slight swineherd, his stoutest pig. The beggarly grandam, her own beloved babe. The master saw these gifts and was pleased. So crop, pig, and baby. Crop, pig, baby. Crop, pig, baby. Crop, pig, pig, baby. Assume, right? What's a crop? That's a crop. Pig. Baby. Yep. Bingo. What's in here? Crystal marble. What does that do for me? Here, I'm gonna need that for something. I don't know for what. Oh, you motherfucker. Back the fuck up! Nah. Oh my god! Stay the fuck down. Oh my god. Jesus fucking Christ. Gotta stop fucking hitting right click. Oh, the ball. Marble. Oh. So, do you want to be here? I'm not supposed to do that. I'm supposed to make a picture of the or something. Like, I'm not making a picture. It'd be quite awesome. Like, I like it. No fucking loss. Second place. I don't know what the fuck this is. Oh my god, I'm fucking done. Wow, oh my god. How did I get that? I actually have no idea how I got that. Wow. Village Records Volume 3. Date, October 10th. The weather has been strange of late. The wheat withers and the cows grow thin. Date, December 10th. December 8th. There are signs of famine. It is true, we lack the means to work the field, but Lord Sadler's orders are absolute. Date, January 30th. 30 people have starved to death. 5 cows will be slaughtered. Date, March 11th. The patriarchs gathered to cast lots. 6 more chosen for Lord Sadler. Date, April. 8 more today. Date, 4 more today. 11 more today. Date, 2 outsiders got lost and wandered to the village. We took them to the altar for the ritual. No need to cast lots today. Assume those are the hiker. Who the fuck is that? Is that Lord Sadler? Whatever the fuck his name is. Insignia key. Oh, you've got to be kidding me. Oh, damn.
The blood has accepted the gift.
What the fuck is that? Was that my girl?
Gift? My blood?
By whatever the fuck you injected into the fucking... That was it for the chapter? Damn, that was a quick ass chapter. Alright, you guys, I think that's where I'm going to end it on today's video. Honestly, for this series, I might just do videos on each chapter, and then we'll go from there, I guess. So, but besides that, I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace, you guys.